From the front page of the Yonkers Statesman, August 25, 1916. Headline: Railroad situation complicated. No conclusion likely this week. Railway presidents today were confronted with a number of objections to their tentative plan for meeting the Union Brotherhood's demand by granting the 8-hour day on condition that freight rate increases and public investigation of future wage disputes be assured. These conditions weighed against the chances of a rate increase. There is no means of assuring what action the Interstate Commerce Commission might take, particularly inasmuch as previously it has indicated unwillingness to consider wage standards in dealing with proposed rate increases. The strong influence of big shippers probably would be thrown against higher rates. President Wilson's stand for an increase would amount to little if he should fail of re-election. And regardless of other hazards, new rates could not be put into effect before next March. The greatest element of uncertainty regarding the proposed legislation for creating a federal body to investigate labor demands before a strike might be allowed was the probable hostility of labor leaders to the plan. Continued hostility of many railroad presidents to the 8-hour day under any circumstances complicated the situation further. Headline: Number of infantile paralysis deaths in Yonkers totals 16, 4 new cases. Further measures taken by health authorities to check spread of the disease. In line with other preventive measures being taken by the local health authorities to check the spread of the disease, Dr. Coons, health officer, with the consent of Public Safety Commissioner Fleming, has given orders that inspectors be stationed at the entrance to all the moving picture theaters and other places of amusement in order to stop all children under 16 years of age, even if accompanied by parents or guardians, from entering. The wisdom of warning storekeepers in the city from selling to children under the age of 16 has been considered by the authorities, but such drastic steps were not regarded advisable at the present time. It was learned at the office of the Health Bureau this morning that Angelo DiTario, father of Romulo DiTario, aged 15 months, the child which was forcibly taken from its home yesterday and removed to the city hospital, has taken steps to bring a suit against the health officer. He claims that his child is not afflicted with infantile paralysis and that he has letters from his family physician to substantiate his statement. On the other hand, Dr. Coons and Dr. Charles K. Flynn, the quarantine officer, both examined the child, and they state positively that they found symptoms of infantile paralysis. And that's the news from Yonkers 100 years ago today.